So tell your friends to, good morning girls, tell your friends to join as quickly as possible. Siyas, are you there? Siyas, please respond. Siyas. Siyas, are you there, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell your classmates to join. Siyas, please take the attendance and keep it in the group. Siyas, please mark the attendance and post this attendance in the group. Now let us see the important. Sorry for the disturbance. As it is raining, there is a lot of network issue. Is my screen visible? Can you see the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So see the first unit. So these are the semester 4 important questions. See the first unit. First unit is a coordination compound and bioinorganic chemistry. I want you to note down the questions as also the most important questions. Okay. So the most expected questions from the unit are crystal fill splitting in octahedral complex, tetrahedral complex, and square planar complex. So what are the important questions from the first unit? Second, third, fourth, first, second, third, and fourth.
Second, third, fourth.
First also, from first, second, third, fourth, from these you will definitely get one question. So while writing the splitting of d orbitals in octahedral or tetrahedral square planar complexes, you have to mention the diagram also. Splitting of d orbital diagram also you have to draw. Don't forget. Diagram will be given, half of the marks will be allotted for the diagram. Don't forget it. Okay. And for the short answers, you may expect this Goi method, Jobs method, thermodynamic stability. These all are for the short answers. From the first 4, you will definitely get one long question. Okay. And also from the short answers, also Pearson's concept of hardness and softness and undi gada. Fourth question. Second and fourth question also most important. Okay. Miroko HSAB or Pearson's concept aniste. Okate question neshkondi, you can write the same for the both. Okay. HSAB principle ki, Pearson's concept ki, you can write the same. Same answer. So bioinorganic chemistry, since you are all are having a life sciences background, I think you can attempt all the questions from the bioinorganic chemistry. Now see the carbohydrates. It is difficult to tell the important questions from the organic chemistry. Nevertheless, but as I don't say that most important, open chain structure of glucose, structure elucidation. Open chain structure as well as the cyclic structure elucidation of glucose and fructose. These are expected questions. These two are expected questions from for the long answers. And remaining you can expect long answer as well as short. Most expected are structure elucidation of glucose and fructose. Okay. And for amino acids and heterocyclic synthesis, it is very difficult to tell the important questions. So if you have time, you can read it. Otherwise, you just concentrate on the first chapter, carbohydrates. Okay. Coming to the chemical kinetics. Next topic, that is physical chemistry, unit 3. You from unit 3 is a very easy unit, so you can read everything from the unit 3. Only there are 2 long questions from this unit, from the first chapter, that is chemical kinetics, and that is first order kinetics and second order kinetics. Once you learn the derivations for the first and second order kinetics, it is easy to write the half-life period, units and everything. Okay, only there are 2 derivations, first order kinetics and second order kinetics. Only 2 long questions are expected from the chemical kinetics. Okay, and coming to the next chapter, photochemistry, mostly you will get a short answer type questions. And if at all long question is asked, that will be Jablonowski diagram. Okay, so learn the Jablonowski diagram. That is also most expected question, and also the laws of photochemistry. We have 2 laws. We have 2 laws of photochemistry, first law and second law. And Jablonowski diagram is the most expected questions from this photochemistry. I'm coming to the last unit. Theories of bonding in metals is very easy chapter. You have already learned in intermediate. Just you need a revision of that. So semiconductors and free electron theory, valence bond theory, you can easily learn. P-type and N-type are most expected questions from this chapter. And carbon ions, we cannot tell which question is important from this because all are named reactions. So you cannot tell which named reaction is most important. Okay. If you have time, you learn these carbon ions, otherwise leave it. Then coming to colloids and surface chemistry also, all are short answer type. All are short answer type questions. So all are important only. I think colloids and surface chemistry also you have learned in intermediate. So for the long questions, you concentrate on unit 3 and unit 1. Those 2 units are very easy and very small. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Long answers, concentrate
Yes,
unit 1 and unit 3. That is physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry. So far only 41 students have joined. Where are the remaining students? I want the names of the absentees. Sushma, Jayasri, Inka, Sravanti. Unara Muguru? You're all there? Sushma,
Yes, ma'am.
I need the list of the absentees, okay? Jayasri. Jayasri joined. Jayasri BTBC joined. Is she there?
Ma'am.
Okay. Sravanti?
Ma'am.
Yes, Jayasri. Please.
Ma'am, Jayanagastri is CR, ma'am. No one words.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Jay Nagastri, please forward your number to me, okay? I don't have your number.
Ma'am, MBC Abhigna here, ma'am.
Oh, okay. This year changed, huh? So, but second year is not yet finished.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Till the completion of the exams, you are the CR, so okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Sravanti? Sravanti is there?
She didn't come, ma'am.
She didn't join? Sandhya?
She's suffering from fever.
Okay, Sandhya is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sandhya, please note down the names of the absentees and forward it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
And please, anyone share the practicals record book if anyone is having. Any one experiment from
Yes,
the
ma'am.
share చేయండి అమ్మా. Who is having practicals? Any experiment from the practicals? Please, anyone share. Practical exams ki ela rayali pattern I will explain today. Yes, nobody is having. Sushma or Jayan Agasri. Did you finish writing record books?
Ma'am, we will write, ma'am.
Not yet finished. Our timetable is already given, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but only 20 papers is there, no, ma'am. That's what we just delayed, ma'am.
Okay, just if anyone is having
Ma'am, we
template,
wrote, ma'am.
okay, just share it, ma. Anybody, please share it.
I'm keeping in group,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, you will keep in the group. Okay. Okay, then see the practical chudandi. I'll try to share this here, screen here. I have to download this, I guess. Okay. 1 second, just a moment. So, how did you write your third semester exams?
Well, ma'am.
Huh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, ma'am.
Nice, ma'am.
Did
Yes,
anyone
ma'am.
have had any difficulty during the exams or reaching the college or anything?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. My internet is very slow. So
Ma'am,
just
SEM 4, ma'am.
SEM for timetable ఇంకా పెట్టలే కదా ఎగ్జామ్ బ్రాంచ్ వాళ్ళు మాకు కూడా ఇంకేం చెప్పలే. Okay, they will announce the dates very soon. Mostly it will be
Okay.
it is expected in August. Okay. Okay, all of you open
Okay,
this file that Sushma just now has shared now. All of you open that one in your phones.
Yes, ma'am.
So for the exams, first you have to write, for each point there will be marks. Okay. For preliminary test,
Okay,
there
ma'am.
is the physical state, right? Physical state, color, anni unnai kada. For each point there will be a marks will be given. Okay. So I'm not able to share this one. One second. Okay, is it visible now? Kanpistunda screen lo? See the first test.
Yes,
first
ma'am.
second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Since we have not done any practicals, we have done, I guess, right? How many compounds have we done? Only one, right? Carboxylic acid in the lab.
One, ma'am.
Only one.
Carboxylic acid, ma'am.
Carboxylic acid. Okay. So you know how to
Carboxylic
write the
acid.
record also, right? Since we have already done that, you know how to write. First, what we have to do when a compound is given, you have to write its physical properties. What are the physical properties? That is known as preliminary test. Physical state you have to write, color, order, physical constant. Physical constant you will be given, okay? You will be given in the exam itself. We will be telling the physical constant, boiling point or melting point. Since you have not done any experiment, you do not know that one. So I'll tell that melting point or boiling point. So for each one, you will be having marks. So do not forget each point. Do not forget any point. Okay, write. You have to write everything. Then ignition test also you have to write. So you have to keep the compound under the flame by taking in a spatula. Then you have to notice what is occurring to the flame. If it is a sooty flame, that compound is a aromatic. Means aromatic ring will be there, benzene ring like. If the sooty flame is not there, that the compound is aliphatic. That's the basics test. First you have to write. You have to write this one also. Then solubility test. Solubility test, you have to write the chart untundi kada. So you have to write this chart. So suppose Only one compound will be given to you, right? So you will get only one row. Okay, only one single row you have to write. So you have to remember these solvents. What are the solvents? Water, ether, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, sodium bicarbonate, and HCl. Last law inference.
HCl.
Okay, whatever compound is given, you have to write that one only. Suppose if carbohydrate is given to you, then you have to write this only, plus, minus. Since it is soluble in all solvents except ether, you have to write the first row only. If phenol is given, then you have to write this one, third row. Minus, plus, plus, minus, minus. You should not write all the table, okay? Table in rayadu. Whatever compound you will get, that compound only you have to write. Next.
Ma'am, we should learn full table, no, ma'am?
You have to learn the full table. You have to remember, okay? Means if this sequence is you are getting that, if it is solid, suppose carbohydrate is there. If you are getting this sequence, plus and NT, what is meant by plus? If you have to take a pinch of compound in a test tube from the given compound, and you have to add water to it. Now, if you see that what compound is soluble, completely soluble, you have to write plus. If the compound is not soluble in it, you have to write minus. Okay. So if you get this sequence, what does it mean? That is a carbohydrate. Suppose if you are getting this minus, plus, 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 minus, then that is carboxylic acid. So in order to predict the functional group, you have to remember this whole table. So you have to know in which solvent it is soluble and in which solvent it is not soluble. Okay, then derivatives also is there, but okay, first than derivative. See here, for carbohydrates, derivatives also you have to write, ma'am. Okay. So after writing this, see here, okay. This is the first compound. What is this compound? First, you have to write the physical preliminary test, ignition test, and in solubility test, you will get to know the functional group of the compound. The functional group here in this experiment is carbohydrate. Okay. Then to confirm that carbohydrate, again, you have to do some functional group test. So you have to learn the functional group test for each functional group: carbohydrate, carboxylic acid, amines, phenols, everything. Okay. So for carbohydrates, these are the functional group tests. So you have to remember the whole functional group test. Okay. So these two are the functional group tests that are done to the carbohydrate. One is Molish test and one is Tollens reagent test. So if you are getting the desired compound that is required for the presence of functional group, then that compound is confirmed here. Okay. After confirming the compound by doing this test, then you have to do further experiments. You have to make new compounds from the given compound. Suppose carbohydrate is given to you, so you have derivatives ante you are deriving a new compound for the given compound. So osozone derivative here, you are making osozone out of carbohydrate here. That is the meaning of a derivative. And your 2,4-DNP derivative also, you are making 2,4-DNP out of carbohydrate. So at least one derivative you have to write. Okay, you have to learn the derivatives also. So what all you have to learn? Preliminary ternary test is basic. By seeing the compound, you will write. Ignition test also, that is also basic. By noticing, you have to write that. Next, solubility test. You have to remember the table. You have to remember this table, and then after performing the experiments, that is by using all these solvents, you have to check in which solvent your compound is soluble. Then you have to write the functional group here. Once you get the functional group, next is you have to write the functional group test. Okay, functional group test to confirm the functional group. Next, last law, at least one derivative you have to write. To get the full marks, if there are two derivatives in the experiment, you have to write the two derivatives, or else at least one derivative you have to write. Okay. Last law, don't forget to write the report. So you have to write the given compound, whatever given compound is identified as, whichever functional group you will get, you have to write here. So report is also given 2 marks for it. 2 marks or 3 marks untai report kuda. So each and every step is having marks. Marks at 50, total 40 marks. Whether 40 marks are divided into all these categories. Okay, preliminary test, ignition test, solubility test, functional group test, and derivatives, and report. Okay. If anyone is having any doubt, you can ask regarding practicals or regarding anything. Yes, girls, you don't have any doubts? Any questions, Sunaya?
Ma'am, we should read all 7 of them.
Yes, ma. All 7 you have to read. Including derivatives, you have to read. You have to learn. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Any
ma'am.
questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Since I am a class representative, if you are having any trouble, any problem during the exams, while my teaching, you can contact me. You can call me at any time. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
inquiry announcement and then so we are going for the NAC. I think you all know that. Okay. NAC accreditation, re-accreditation. Yes. Yes, Chapu.
हाँ वॉइस डाले मैम. वॉइस डाले मैम इंदाక మీది.
Voice raleda. Okay. Since we are going for NAC, okay, I'll take another class for this. Okay. So you have you given your mail IDs to the college? All of your mail IDs?
When,
No,
ma'am?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then I'll prepare a Google form. Okay. Google form betti meeku. Yes, also I'll share the Google form with you. You can also see the responses. Okay, Sias and me, we can see the responses. See that each of your classmate is filling that form. Okay, your hall ticket number, name, and the mail ID which you frequently visit. Okay, frequently open. Adi matram nanku kavali. Okay. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then, no?
Yes,
Stop
ma'am.
here.
Okay, ma'am.
And please, Sias, make the list of absentees and send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.